Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find claw machine in Umamusume. First, play through the main story or training mode until you unlock event-based features. Then, look for seasonal or special in-game events that mention mini-games or prizes. Next, check the event lobby or home screen banners for announcements. Tap the event icon to enter the feature hub where the claw machine may appear. Then, inside the Event Hub, browse through available mini-games. Next, search for the claw machine under prize exchange or gift activities. It usually appears as a limited-time mini-game during collabs or campaigns. Confirm its availability by checking the in-game notice board. Then, collect event tickets or tokens required to use the machine. Spend them in the claw machine mini-game to grab items or rewards. Then, keep playing until you collect desired items or run out of tokens. Finally, exchange or use the rewards you win in training or collection menus. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.